reviews.
You're gonna get a lot of just sesame flavor from this one little thing without having to add those sesame seeds directly to the dish. So the product I have is the Kadoya sesame oil from Japan. This one from Japan, I've noticed, is always just at that perfect spot. It's not gonna be bitter, it's gonna be the perfect amount of nuttiness. It's light, it has a nice bottle size, and the price point is just a really good one. This I'll use to just drizzle on top of any salad at the end. I'll drizzle it on some fish. Nice thing that you can do is just add a little bit of this to your mayo, and now you have like a sesame aioli almost. This is pretty much just perfect out the bottle as is. Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. So for the overall flavor, it just adds a nice nuttiness to it. It's mainly about adding just that flavor of the sesame oil that we're trying to go for with this product. It's just, this is gonna take it to the next level. This is what you wanna go for. I would recommend this for home cooks as well as line cooks and chefs. I first learned about this one actually in the industry because of what I was saying of it being, you know, a sesame oil that's not already bitter, it's not already burnt, and it's toasted for us. This just saves us a lot of time of having to toast our own sesames or toast our own sesame oil. You're gonna get this and it's already gonna be ready to go for you.